Here is a popular and delicious chicken biryani recipe. Hello everyone, welcome to your YouTube channel. Guys, follow me my best chicken biryani recipe. Follow me step by step. Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice, 500 grams chicken, cut into pieces, 1 large onion, thinly sliced, 2 tomatoes, finely chopped, 1/2 cup plain yogurt curd, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies, slit, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon biryani masala powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, a handful of fresh mint leaves, a handful of fresh coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons ghee clarified butter, salt to taste, saffron strands soaked in milk for garnish. Instructions: wash basmati rice under running water until the water becomes clear. Soak the rice in enough water for 30 minutes. Drain and set aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a large pot or pressure cooker over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and saute until golden brown. Add the ginger, garlic paste, and green chilies. Saute for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they are no longer pink. Stir occasionally. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn mushy. Add the red chili powder, turmeric powder, biryani masala powder, and salt. Mix well. Add the plain yogurt curd and mix until well combined. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the soaked and drained basmati rice to the pot. Mix gently to combine the rice with the chicken and spices. Add enough water, approximately 3 to 4 cups, so that the liquid level is around 1/2 inch above the rice and chicken mixture. Stir well. Cover the pot or pressure cooker with a tight-fitting lid and cook on medium-low heat until the rice is cooked and the chicken is tender. If using a pressure cooker, cook for about 1 to 2 whistles and then switch off the heat. Once the biryani is cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest for 10 minutes. Then, fluff the rice gently with a fork. Garnish the buri. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share.